welcome all of you on my YouTube channel once again. Friends, this video is going to be important for the point of SSB. Whoever is preparing for SSB, so the first stage in SSB is called screening, and in that screening is of two part. First part is OIR, second part is PP and DT test. So today we will discuss about OIR, and in OIR also there are some topics. From that questions will come, maximum number of questions will come, like it is of cube type of question, and from these cube type of question maximum question repeats every time. If you take any SSB center, if you take like Allahabad, if you take center Bhopal, Bangalore, Mysore, Varanasi, Gandhinagar, so in every SSB center question from this cube type of questions are often asked. So in this video I'll make sure that you don't miss out any of the question if it is coming from cube, because in this we will solve 15 questions. We will solve 15 questions, and these 15 questions will make you master in this type of questions what I'll solve in front of you, so that you can get a clear cut idea about OIR, how the questions are asked, what type of questions are asked, and how should you approach the OIR. And if you have doubt regarding what is the importance of OIR, what is the importance of OIR, then I have already made a video regarding importance of OIR. You can watch that video by visiting the playlist of the channel. I have even updated a separate playlist for SSB. You can go to the playlist and watch the importance of OIR. Then you will get a clear cut idea that how OIR plays an important role in selection of a candidate in SSB. So moving to our topic. So here we are asked that firstly you have to read the instruction very much carefully. So here 1 to 15 questions are given. From the option A, B and C, which of the following cube belong to group A? So you will be given two groups, like group A is here, group B is here. These two groups are group A and group B. After that, three options are there: option A, option B and option C. And you will be asked which of the following option belong to group A type of cube. So this kind of question will come in cube. This is your short question. At least, for example, let's say 100 questions are asked in your SSB, then at least 15 to 20 question will be from cube type only. So watch this video till the end to get a clear idea and just clarify all the doubts which is there in your mind. So if you watch this, if you see this group A type of cube and group B type of cube very carefully, then arrows in group A are outwards. Like if you see, then here arrow is outwards, then again here arrow is outward, again outward, here outward. Everywhere in group A the arrows are pointing outwards. But if you see the group B cube, then here arrows are pointing inwards. Here arrows are pointing inwards. So the difference is that we have to find a cube in which arrow is pointing outward, then that will be our required answer. Then if you see option A, then here all the arrows are pointing inward only, like these two arrows are pointing inward, next three arrows are pointing inward, and these two are also pointing inward. So this will not be our answer. Next thing, these two are pointing inward, these three are pointing inward, but these two are pointing outward. If you see this, these two are pointing outward. So what will be the required answer? Required answer for question number 1 is option B, because only in option B we are getting one face of cube is pointing outward, and even if you see option C, every face is pointing inwards only. But in group A we are given that the arrow has to point outwards. So here it is pointing outwards. So this is the required answer. Second question, if you see the cube of group A and group B, then here circle, a small circle is coming inside a big polygon. Let's say here triangle is there, inside triangle one circle is coming, then here inside one big circle one small circle is coming, then inside one rectangle one circle is coming, then inside one triangle circle. Similarly inside different polygon one small circle is coming. But if you see this picture, outside of the picture circle is coming. So from option you have to see one option in which inside of the picture one circle has to come, then that will be our required answer. Then if you focus on option A, this is triangle and outside of the triangle circle is coming. This is one rectangle, outside of the rectangle circle is coming. This is one big circle and inside one circle is coming and outside also one circle is coming. But here again outside is coming, so this option is not our answer. Coming over to the second option, here one outside circle is coming, so this will not come. Here also one outside it is coming, so it will not come. But if you see this triangle, inside this triangle one small circle is coming. So what will be our required answer? Our required answer will be option B, because option B is the only option which is matching with group A, that at least one face of the cube is matching with group A, then that is our required answer. Again if you see option C, it is matching with group B only, because here outside one small circle is coming which is touching the polygon of this bigger polygon. Like here triangle is there, it is touching the triangle, it is touching the rectangle, and it is touching the big circle. So your answer will be option B. Next question. If you just observe this next question very clearly, you will find that group A has two figures in every face. Like in this face, this face have got two pictures. Both the pictures are different. Like one rectangle, one triangle and one star like shape, one circle, one triangle. Similarly if you see group B, but here both the pictures are same. Like here one star, then here also same star is there. If you see one triangle, here same triangle is here. If you see one D like shape, same D is written here. So you have to find option in such a way that it has to match with group A. Then group A, what is it says? Group A says that both the figure has to be different. So if you look at the first option of option A, both the figure, here both circle are there, here again both triangles are there, here again both inverted D is there. So this will not come. If you look at the next picture, both triangle is there, both star, both rectangle. So again this will not come. But if you look at the option number C, both circle, both triangle, but here one rectangle and one triangle, these both are different shape. So just now I told you, any one of the face of the cube has to match with group A. Group A says that both the figure has to be different figure. So here in option C, in this face we got that both the figures are different. One is rectangle and one is square. So our correct option will be option C. So I hope all of you have understood option number question number 3. Now we will move over to the question number 4. So question number 4 says that if you watch this group A very clearly, then you will get two similar figure. Like here U shape and one dot, here also U shape and one dot, then here one arrow upward, one arrow downward, then here two circle and dots inside, then here again U, then again one half arrow, then again one this shape, again one this shape, then Z, T, then both the shapes are similar. That means group A says that both the figure which are in any of the face are similar, both are same. But if you see the group B kind of thing, group B kind of cube, then here both the figures are different. Like here it is P, here it is Q, here it is D, here it is Y, here it is this resistance symbol, and here it is triangle, here it is triangle, here it is circle, here it is watt symbol, and here it is half arrow. So here both the figures are different and here both the figures are similar. So now we have to look at the option and find out that in which of the option both the figures are same. So if you look at option number A, here it is heart shape and here it is triangle, so this is not same. Here it is circle and T shape, so it is not same. But if you look this face of this cube, both are V. B means both are similar, it is matching with group A kind of figure. So our correct answer will be simply A. Now you no need to look at option B and C. Our correct answer will be option A. I hope all of you have understood till question number 4. Now if you come to the question number 5, again if you observe very clearly, then you will find that the line which is dividing the shapes in the cube, in group A, it is not dividing into two equal halves. Like if you see this heart shape, this line is crossing at the end. That means it is not divided into two equal shape. And again, if you see this rectangle, also in this rectangle line is passing from here, then again this both are not similar kind of thing. But if you look at group B, the line divides into the equal shape. Like if you see this rectangle, then line is divided from the center of this rectangle, and these two are divided into equal shape. So similarly, now you have to see an option which option does not divide into equal shape. So if you look at option number A says that here one circle is there and it is divided into equal shape, and here B is there, B is again divided into equal shape. Then here one heart is there and heart is divided into equal shape. So option number 1 will not be correct answer. And if we see option number B, this is U shape, and U shape is again divided into equal, and this line is passing through center of U. Again this is one rectangle shape, and line is passing through the center of rectangle. But if you see this picture seems like this. This is V and line is passing through the end of this V, and this line is not dividing into equal shape. Like if you see that this line is passing through 2/3 from this side. So here these both are not divided into equal halves. So our correct answer will be option number B. I hope all of you understood till question 5. Now we will come to question number 6. So if you see question number 6, few numbers are mentioned on the top and different face of the cube. Like if you see group A and group B, if you see group A kind of thing, then here 11, 27, 3, 17, 15, 31, 35, 9, 23 is there. And if you see group B, then here 42, 20, 12, 28, 16, 8, 10, 46. If you see group A kind of thing, then all the numbers which are mentioned on the face of the cube all are odd number. And if you see on this face, then all are even number. Then you have to look at the option, and which option at least one face has to be odd number. Then in this in this cube it is 44, 28 and 50, all are even. 14, 18, 12 all are even. 42 even, 20 even, but 32 is odd, and here we have to get at least one face odd. So we got here one face odd. So our correct answer will be option number C. So option number C is the required answer for this question number 6. I think all of you got clear cut idea. Now we will move over to the question number 7. Question number 7, if you observe both the group A and group B clearly, then you will come to a conclusion that in group A, figures are shaded internally completely, but here figures are shaded by drawing a line. Then you have to look at the option in which figures are shaded internally completely, complete shade is there. Then here if you see option A, it is by line only in this triangle. If you see in this face, this D is line only, then this O is again line, then C is line, then this arrow is also line, then this star shape is again line. But if you look at option C, see this face of this option C, one tree like shape is there, like this, and here entire portion is shaded, entire shape is shaded, and it is similar to group A kind of things. So group A says that entire picture, whatever is there in the cube A has to be shaded completely, and same thing we got in option C. So the required answer for question number 7 is option number C. Coming over to the option question number 8. Question number 8 says that if you just look at very carefully in both the groups, then you will come to a conclusion. Like if you look here, it is 9, 21, 60, 24, 3, 57, 27, 30, 45. This is group A. Group B is 40, 70, 15, 5, 85, 95, 60, 30, 25. So after seeing both the types of cube, group A and group B, you came to conclusion that all the numbers which are mentioned in group A is divisible by 3, and all the numbers which are mentioned in group B is divisible by 5. Like 10 is divisible by 5, 40 is divisible by 5, 70 is divisible by 5, 5, 95, 85, 60, 25, 30. These all are divisible by 5. But if you look at group A picture, then here 9, 21, 60 all are divisible by 3, and here 27. Then you have to look at this option and find out which of the following face of a cube a number is mentioned and that number is divisible by only 3. So if you look at option A, it is 55. 55 is divisible by 5. If you look at option 10, this second face, then here it is 10, then 10 is again divisible by 5. But if you look at this face, it is 6. 6 is only divisible by 3. So this face of the cube is matching with group A. So our required answer will be option number A, not B and not C, because here 20, 45, 5, 35, 15, 50, these all are divisible by 5. But if you see in option A, this 6 is divisible by 3, and group A is also divisible by 3. So these both are similar. So our option A will be correct answer. Coming to the next thing, next point is again similar which we studied earlier. Like here, line is passing internally. Line is passing internally through these shapes which are mentioned in group A. Like one heart shape is mentioned here, like this, and line is passing internally only. And here in this triangle also line is passing internally. Then in this triangle also line is passing internally. Then in every shape line is passing internally. But if you see in group B, line passes externally, means internally, as well as it crosses the internal and goes to the external away from the picture. Like if you see this rectangle shape, in this rectangle shape this kind of thing is drawn. That means line is not limited to this internal only, it is crossing this internal point. Same way if you see any kind of picture, everywhere line is crossing the internal thing and it is coming out of that internal figure. So now look at the option. If you look at the option very carefully, then if you look at option A, then in this figure, and in this figure, in all three figures line is passing internally as well as externally. But we have to look at a figure in which line is passing only internally, internally. So this will not be our answer. If you come to second option, then here O is written here. Then in this O also line is passing externally, and in this triangle also line is passing externally. But if you look at this face of this cube, that is S, and this S is written like this, and line is being only in the internal portion, which is similar to group A kind of thing. So our required answer will be option number B, because one face of option number B is matching with group A. I think all of you have got clear-cut idea regarding this. Next is question number 10. Question number 10 is very simple. If you have a clear observation in this group A and group B kind of thing, then here all the faces have alphabets mentioned in group A cube. Like here it is Q, K, E, O, U, A, S, G, M. So here all the alphabets are there, and here all the numbers are there. So we have to look at the option A, option B and option C and find out that which is a kind of cube in which alphabets are there. Like if you see here, it is if you see here number is there, then again here number is there, here also number is there, here also number is there, here also number, here also number. So this both B and C will not come. But if you look at option A, here number is there, here number is there. But if you look at this face of the cube, here C is mentioned. C is alphabet which is matching with group A kind of thing. So option A is the required answer for question number 10. Option A is required answer for option number 10. Option A is required answer for question number 10 because one face of question number 10 is matching with group A, that is C. Coming over to the next question. Question number 11. Question number 11, if you look at the question very carefully, and if you look at the picture which are mentioned on each face of the cube very carefully, you will find that the number of polygon sides is equal to number of circle. For example, here 2 polygons are drawn, that is 2 lines, so 2 circles are there. Here 1 line, so 1 circle. Here 3 lines, so 3 circle. 2 line, 2 circle. 3 line, 3 circle. 2 line, 2 circle. 2 line, 2 circle. 4 line, 4 circle. This is the number of line is equal to number of circle in group A. But if you look at group B, number of line is not equal to number of circle. Like here we have 1 line, but we have got 2 circle. We have got 2 line, 1 circle. 3 line, 1 circle. So here we can say that group B is a thing in which number of line is not equal to number of circle, but in group A number of line is equal to number of circle. Now we will look at our option, which option will give that number of line equal to number of circle. That will be our required answer. If you look at option A, then here 4 lines, 1 circle, 3 lines, 2 circle, 2 lines, 3 circle. So this is not our answer. 3 lines, 2 circle, 2 lines, 1 circle. And if you look at this face of cube, 3 lines, 3 circle. 3 lines, 3 circle, that is number of cube is equal to number of circle. So option number B is the required answer for this question because it is matching with group A kind of thing. Next question is question number 12. Question number 12 says that if you look at the question again very carefully, you will find that all the figures in group A are closed figure and all the figures in group B are open figure. Like here we have got triangle, circle, then here it is a kind of polygon which is closed, then here circle, triangle, square, then again one closed figure, then D is written here, then again if you see here it is rectangle. All the figures in group A are closed and all the figures in group B are open figure. So if you look at option and find that which option has at least one face closed figure. If you look at option A, look at this face of option A. We have got one closed figure here. So this will be our required answer because this option A is matching with group A kind of thing because both are closed figure. Moving over to the question number 13. Question number 13, if you look very carefully, you will find that here how many lines are there? 3 lines, and totally it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it is 1 line, 3 line, 3 line. Here it is 3 line, 1 line, 3 line, and here it is 2 line, 4 line, 4 line, 4 line, 1 line, 2 line, 4 line, 2 line, 2 line, 2 line. Matlab in group B even number of lines are there and in group A odd number of lines are there. So you have to look at the option and find out that in which of the following option odd number of lines are there. If you look at option A, here it is 4 line, 2 line, 4 line, so it is even number, so it will not come. 2 line, 4 line, 3 line, 3 is odd, so here 3 is odd means this face of group B is matching with this face of option B is matching with group A. So our required answer will be option number B because this face is matching with group A where odd number of lines are there, that is 3 line is there. Coming to the next question, If you look at the next question very carefully, you will find that both the figures are coinciding. Both the figures are crossing each other internally. Like here, this figure is there. Then if you see here, circle is also crossing each other internally. Then again here, circle is crossing each other internally. But if you look at group B kind of figure, both the figures are touching only. Like here it is touching, and here again it is just touching kind of thing. So here both the figures are touching, but in this both the figures are intersecting. So you will look at the option and find out that in which of the following option both the figures are intersecting each other. Like if you look at option A, here both the figures are touching each other. Then again here also both all the figures are touching each other. But if you look at option number C, look at this face of option number C. This both the figures are crossing each other. Like we have got this figure and this figure, both are crossing each other internally. So the required answer will be option number C, because this face of option number C is matching with group A, that is both the figures are crossing, intersecting each other. So your option number C is correct answer. Coming to last and final question of the day. Last and final question of the day. If you look at the question very carefully, here 4 is there, 18 is there, 14 is there, D, L, 24, 40, 30. Here it is 7, C, K, 7, 17, 3, I, 27, M, E. Then you, if you look at very carefully, you will come that here odd numbers are there. If you convert this H into number, then H comes like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. It comes in the 8th place. So here it is 8, here 18, 4. L is equal to 12, D is equal to 4 and 14. So here again it is even number. And if you look at this 24, 40 and 30. So in group A, all the face have even number. But in group B, all the face have odd number. So you have to look at the option and find out that which option has at least one option as even number. So if you look at option number C, look at option number C very carefully. Here it is 7, here it is C. 7 and C is odd number. But if you look at B, B is coming in the second place. So second 2 is even. So your option number C is the required answer. So the required answer will be option number C. So this was the end of the video. I hope all of you enjoyed the video. Still you have doubt regarding the OIR SSB, or if you are preparing for NDA 2 2021, then you can go to the playlist of our channel and watch all the video. It is completely free of cost, and the videos which we are making after analysis of previous 14 years of question paper of NDA, and these videos are going to be very much important for you. If you watch our video, you can easily crack the NDA examination, and you will not face any problem in OIR in this kind of problems. Like whenever any question is coming, like which of the following figure belong to group A, group B, or any other cube type of question. So thank you friends for tuning till the end. Jai Hind.